hello guys, how are you? So today I'm gonna share a brief placement report of IIM Shillong, Indian Institute of Management Shillong. So this is the 15th batch, or you can say 2022-24 wala batch, right? So firstly, I'll be sharing the summer placement report, the SIP, the internship wala placement report, right? So, starting with the summer placement report 2024, this is the 15th batch, as I told earlier. So, yeah, this is the beautiful campus. I am Shillong, and now it maybe count as main IIMs, but yeah. So, moving on, next slide. Yeah, this is the thing batch profile 2024. There were 283 people on the list, and 79% were male and 21% were female, right? So education background, then engineers were 45% as usual, then commerce finance were 36 percentage, pure science 10 percentage, and others 9 percentage, right? And work experience wise, freshers were 38%, they were dominating the batch. Then 12 months wala 18%, 24, 22%, 36 months 12%, and more than 36 months were 11%, right? So then comes domain wise experience. So 32 percentage IT analytics, 14% sales and marketing, 13% finance, 9% strategy and consulting, 3% HR and operations, right? Then lastly 29% others. Okay, so moving on to the next slide. So here comes the offers, right? Placement report. So firstly, I'll be talking about the domain wise offer, right? So 29% were sales and marketing, it's the highest, right? And 25% strategy and consulting. Obviously, in many of the main IIMs, consulting got the highest placement, but yeah, it's close enough to the marketing, but yeah. And finance 16 percentage, IT analytics 10 percentage, general management and human resource and operation 10% each. Then sector wise offers, consulting 24%. This is a domain wise, right? And this is the sector wise, consulting, manufacturing, retail 23%, BFSI 20, and IT analytics 14, then technology, media and telecommunication 8 percentage, FMCG 2, and others 9 percentage. Okay, so yeah, then the salary, right? So highest stipend were 4.7 lakhs. This is summer placement, right? Only internship wala. So yeah, highest placement 4.75 lakhs. Then average stipend were 2.06 lakhs rupees, right? It's great. And median salary means 50% of the batch were above that, and 50% the below that, right? So this is a 2 lakhs. It's good number, right? For IIM, a main IIM or new IIM, whatever it is, but it's a great number, right? So yeah, average stipend of top 10% of the students were 3.88 lakhs rupees. Then average of 20 percentage is 3.57 lakhs, and top 50% got 2.65 lakhs plus placement in the SIP program. And 18.86, or you can say 19% increase, right, in the average stipend year on year, right? And total recruiters were 67 recruiters, and 37 of them were new, right? And highest average stipend of domain wise strategy consulting got the highest placement, and as usual, obviously, every it's story of every IIM, right? So yeah, strategy consulting got the highest placement, right, in the SIP. Okay, so moving on, this is the domain wise salary. And as you can see, as I mentioned in the earlier slide, the 4.75 lakhs, the highest placement got from strategy consulting. Yeah, it is the thing. Then finance got the second highest, obviously, as usual. Then sales and marketing the third highest, 3.6 lakhs. And general management got 3.2 lakhs rupees. And you can see the companies coming on campus: Exchange Strategy, then comes Bain and Company, BCG, Deloitte, you name it, we have it, right? McKinsey and Company. top main consulting firms were coming on campus, right? And then domain wise in finance, D Shaw, HSBC, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan and Chase, everything, right? Whatever you want. Blue, Dell, Aditya Birla and Capital and General Management, also sales and marketing. You can see Aditya Birla, Coca Cola, ITC, everything. You name it, we have it. So this is it. We have here right now is the thing, and this is the prominent recruiters of this company. You can see all of that, and you can see the competitors, the corporate competitors on campus, right? So L'Oreal we have, then HL have, and this is the placement committee of 2021-23. So yeah, this is it for the summer placement report, right? So thank you so much. Sayonara. Have a good day. Thank you.